Hello everyone, Dave Hallock here at Gerry Gordon's Mazda in the Waverly Auto Mall with this just traded in 2014 Ford Flex Limited. It's in a snowflake white pearl, it's got black leather and 6-passenger seating. Let's have a better look at it. The Ford Flex is large and in charge and features the 20-inch brushed aluminum alloy wheels with all-season tires. It's got front and rear mud guards. Park assist, you've got the forward and back parking sensors, halogen fog lights, xenon protection headlights, so nighttime visibility is going to be great. No real chips anywhere on the hood. There's a couple little ones here that were touched up, but nothing too crazy on that side in its condition. No real scratches or dents on the body. It does have the panoramic roofs for the front and rear passengers. Side mirrors are power folding, which we'll show you in a minute or so. You do have blind spot monitoring on both sides of the car. Power passenger seat with lower back lumbar adjust, which is quite nice. Oop, zoom out there. Full leather upholstery. You've got the owner's manuals in there. Microsoft sync system, and the cup holders light up so you can see where your coffee's going at night. The horn honks at you every time you're leaving it still running. You have wood paneling on the inside, map pockets, cup holders for the people in the back seat. Center console with cup holders, heated seats, and power outlet down below. And it's kind of neat because each seat's got its own individualized moonroof with little pull shades, so that's kind of cool. Even the third row gets one, which is really kind of unseen for most. You do have a power assist button here that does a lot of ninja action with the seat, so that makes everything to get into that third row super handy at just a one push of the button. And here we have it. It's the limited Ford Flex. There's your backup camera and the rear parking sensors, which also work with the park assist for the car. So 6-passenger seating configuration. Multi sunroofs. You've got power function fold pieces here on the side, which when you hit the switches, that's going to bring up the seats with a touch of a button, so leaving you with lots of cargo space down below, and you've got your spare tire there. And then you hit the button for stow, and the back seats actually fold themselves down and do a little bit of a flip fold to give you lots of cargo. And go back to normal, and you hit that, and away they go. How crazy cool is that? Pretty neat, and you can even have it set up for tailgating. So that's kind of a fun bit of action with the seats. So that's why they call it the Flex, because it's ultra flexible for any of your family's needs. It's a little bit lower to the ground, so it's not so high that even family members with ability issues or little kids have a hard time getting in and out of. It's really quite great on that side. No scuffs. You've got vents in the headliner for maximizing passenger airflow, so everybody's a lot more comfortable. Smart touch access on the doors. And here we'll show you the power folding mirrors. You just give them a tilt back, and in they go on both sides. Give it another tilt, and then back out they go. So great for tight parking spots in the garage, or you just don't want anybody whacking your mirrors on the street. Power adjustments to the driver's seat, memory positions on the door. A little bit more storage in on the driver's side here. Wood grain on the steering wheel. It's got the Sony audio system with backup camera. You've got your climate controls. There's your sync system and your parking button. Push button ignition. The vehicle also does have remote start on the key. Bluetooth, radio controls and cruise, all right there. And this 2014 only has 110,746 kilometers on it, which is outstanding for the year, and it's in exceptional shape. So if you're looking for a great family hauler at a reasonable price, look no further than the 2014 Ford Flex Limited right here at Gerry Gordon's Mazda in the Waverly Auto Mall. Come on down and check it out.